Morning. So this is the avocado that I used to tell you guys, and it's bearing fruit right now. Look oh, there's a fruit now almost. Yeah, I'm trying to look at it, but there's no much fruit. Bago pa man. Look the avocado. Panay ho, igod dabong pana.
No?
Yeah, we also have lemon, like lime tree, but this is the avocado tree. Okay. We also have rambutan. This one. This in our Lola's place. Super dami, guys. Yarn, diba? So it's really nice. Okay. I love the aroma of this fruit. This aromatic aroma. And we also have papayas. They're all papaya. And there's one hinog. Can I ask this? This is yummy. Biang! Elve! Adjo ay kung kapayas be. Usa. Asa ka day? Salamat. Mukha lagi ko na ibog mo ko. Mupahan naman lagi ka day. Basta naman ka din. Hi, mga baby love.
Batang budget?
Oh. Get inside. Inside na car, inside.
Ay nga maligig yung bata ba, ma'am? Hi! Ako ni!
Bless, tita kay...
Hindi,
Hold yan. Ayun na, masod na lang ko. Dali na. So guys, it's my first time for a long time. Hello, uy naman may coral. Bless, tita. Bless. Hi. This is... Ha? Bless. Uy, ka very good. Buutan nun ni si Jano. Buutan nun. Sasam, come here. What's Janing koan? Brush. Mga ko ha? Ay na, mga igagaw ni mo na rin mong cousins. Na hi cousins. Oh, hi cousins. Hi cousins. Sige na siya. Kay mama pa kong kapayas. Huwag kayo nag-check up tamis ni Feb. Lagyan. May doktor di ay. Dali. Flowers? Come here na.